Hello students, in the last video we discussed about the series and parallel combination, their characteristics and how to derive the expression for total resistance when the resistors are connected in series and parallel combination. So now in this video we are going to discuss about whatever expression we found for series and parallel combination, by using that expression how to solve the numericals. So for that purpose we will take one example. So first example for that, see here, a resistance of 6 ohms is connected in series with another resistance of 4 ohm. A potential difference of 20 volt is applied across the combination. Calculate the current through circuit and potential difference across 6 ohm resistance. So whenever we are solving the numericals, first we have to write the given part. So what is the given part? Two resistors are given. Which are the two resistors? R1 and R2. We will give the name R1 and R2. So R1 6 ohm, R2 4 ohm, and how they are connected? They are connected in series. So R1 and R2 are connected in series. So characteristics we studied in series. Current is same amount of current flows through each resistor, but the potential difference in each resistor is different. So according to that, first what they asked to find, calculate the current. So to find the current, so first we have to find total resistance of this circuit. So to find out the total resistance in the circuit, what has to do? So it is in the series combination. So what is the formula for series combination? Rs equals to R1 plus R2. So substitute the value. Rs equals to 6 ohm plus 4 ohm. So equals to 10 ohm. So total resistance we got in the circuit. Now, so total resistance we got, current is same. Means to find out the current we use the Ohm's law. What is the Ohm's law? R equals to V by I. But R is the total resistance. So we will take here Rs. So Rs equals to V by I. So I equals to V by Rs. V is given 20 volt. So we will put the value 20 volt by total resistance. How much we got? 10 ohm. So 20 by 10 means what we'll get? 2 ampere. So how much current flows through the circuit? 2 ampere current flows through the circuit. Second question is there, potential difference across 6 ohm resistor. So what we studied, potential difference is different across the different resistor. So here I is 2 ampere, resistance is 6 ohm, and potential difference we can take. Now this potential difference we will not take because it is the total potential difference is given. Understood? So total potential difference we will not take here. We have to find the potential difference across that specific resistance. So R equals to V by I. So V equals to R into I. So R is given 6 and I is given 2. So what will get? 12 volt. So what is the potential difference across the 6 ohm resistance? 12 volt. Understood students? How to solve? Okay. Another example we will study. See another question. So another question is there. Draw a diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, a 5 ohm resistor, an 8 ohm resistor and 12 ohm resistor, and a plug key, all connected in series. Second question is there. Redraw the above circuit putting an ammeter to measure the current through the resistor and voltmeter to measure the potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor and plug key, all connected in series. What would be the reading in ammeter and voltmeter? Means voltmeter reading and ammeter reading we has to find. So voltmeter reading means potential difference has to find. Ammeter reading means current has to find. So for that purpose, according to first question, draw the diagram. So whatever resistors are given, that resistors are connected in series. See here it is mentioned. How it is? Resistors are connected in series. So series combination first, 5 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm. So these resistors we have to connect in series. Okay. Then what is that? 12, 2 volt each, 3 cell. 2 volt each, 3 cell means total what is? 6 volt. One longer line, one shorter line means one cell. So one cell means 2 volt, second cell 2 volt, third cell 2 volt means total potential difference how much? 6 volt. Hope you understand this. Then plug key. So connect this. So this is the first question answer. Draw the circuit diagram. So we draw on the circuit diagram. Now we will go on the second. What is the second question? Redraw the same circuit. See, same circuit redraw. But what has to connect in that? Ammeter and voltmeter. So ammeter always connected in series and voltmeter always connected in parallel. So voltmeter where has to connect? See here it is mentioned potential difference. Voltmeter to measure potential difference across the 12 ohm resistor. So voltmeter has to connect across 12 ohm resistor. Clear students this? So this is the redraw the same diagram. Above it is there. In above circuit diagram, ammeter and voltmeter was not there. Now here we connected ammeter and voltmeter. Now this redraw the above circuit we draw. Now after that voltmeter and ammeter reading has to find. So first we will find out the ammeter reading. Ammeter reading means current. So current has to find. So in series combination same amount of current flows. So we have to find the total resistance. So to find out the total resistance we have to use the formula RS equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Substitute the value, we will get RS. Now by Ohm's law has to find current. V by I. V is 6 and RS is what is 25 ohm. Above we calculated. So divide it. What you will get? 0.24 ampere. So ammeter reading is 0.24 ampere. Understood student? Now second, potential difference has to find. So to find out the potential difference, what is given? Potential difference across 12 ohm resistance means R is given 12 ohm. Current we calculated. So that current has to take. What is the current? 0.24 ampere. and potential difference has to find. By Ohm's law, R equals to V by I. So V equals to R into I. 12 into 0.24. So what will get? 2.88 volt. Understood, student? So voltmeter reading is 2.88 volt across 12 volt resistor. Hope you understand how to find, how to use the formulas. Clear, student? Now third question. We will go on the third question. What is the third question? A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? So all are connected in series. So first we have to find the total resistance. So total resistance means RS has to find. So what is the formula for RS? R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. Substitute the value. So what will get? 13.4 ohm. This is the RS. Now in series combination, same amount of current flows through the circuit. So current through 12 ohm resistor. By Ohm's law, RS equals to V by I. So I equals to V by RS. So 9 by 13.4. So what will get? 0.67 ampere. Now in your mind, question it will come. They ask the current in 12 ohm resistance. So we have to take the value of R12. Correct? But current is flowing same in each resistor. So whatever current is flowing in 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm. So same current is flowing in 12 ohm resistor also. So that's why we took here total resistance. Understood? Why we took here total resistance in place of 12 ohm. Hope you understand this. Now, next question is there. Fourth question. An electric bulb of resistance 20 ohm and a resistance wire of 4 ohm are connected in series with 6 volt battery. Draw the circuit diagram and calculate the total resistance of circuit. Second, current through the circuit. And third, potential difference across bulb. And fourth, potential difference across wire. Means here two resistors are there. Which are the two resistors? One resistor is bulb and second resistor is there wire. So this we will take R1 and R2. So R1 20 ohm, R2 4 ohm. And potential difference, how much is given? V 6 volt. Now see, according to that we have to draw circuit diagram. So bulb and wire is connected in series. So has to connect in series. 6 volt potential difference is there. Key and has to show the direction of current. So this is the circuit diagram. Now has to find first question total resistance. So total resistance means R1 and R2 connected in series. So RS equals to R1 plus R2. 20 plus 4, 20 ohm. So total resistance RS equals to 20 ohm. Now second question, what was there? Current through the circuit. Current has to find. Means same amount of current flows through the circuit. So what we'll get by Ohm's law? RS equals to V by I. So I equals to V by RS, 6 by 24. So what will get? 0.25 ampere. So this is the current flows through the circuit. Now third question, what is potential difference across bulb? So same amount of current flows, but the potential difference across different resistor is different. So here we will take R is 20 ohm, I is 0.25 ampere, and potential difference has to find. So by Ohm's law, V equals to R into I. So 20 into 0.25. So what will get? 5 volt. Understood? Now D, potential difference across wire. What is the resistance of wire? So wire's resistance is 4 ohm. So we will take here R equals to 4 ohm. Current is same. So potential difference has to find R into I. So 4 into 0.25. So what will get? 1 volt. See, 5 volt plus 1 volt means how much? 6 volt. So total potential difference how much? 6 volt. Understood how to find out? Hope you understand, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.